malo keto omenda maromo bilion 3.7 mar kedo gi yedhe ma jing'o del mosebedo ka medore pacho kaendi e gino momiyo riwruok gi yedhe pinje duto Athletics Integrity AIU kuom jo Kenya. Kano wuoye alap mar Eliud Kipchoge Complex Kapsabet, jatend migawo weche tuke Babu na Mwamba nosiemo wang' jogo mochung'ne jong'wech kata managers konyisogi ni gibiro lor kuondegi mag tiegruok ponono ni oyud ka gimiyo jotugo yedhe ma jing'o del. To kata kamano, riwruok makedo gi yedhe go pacho kaendi men Anti-Doping Agency of Kenya kata ADAK osingo ni gibiro tiyo machiegni gi jokanyo e sekta mag tuke mar tieko tuo mar tiyo gi yedhe ma jing'o del.
All the rules being given, even through our games into strict training, right? Of our athletes is very important.
We are starting to get their information. Which camp are they from? Who are their coaches? Who are their agents? Who are their managers? What time do they train? So that we can then now be able to raid in on those camps, because maybe it is something that athletes of a particular camp are used to doing.
We want an all-government approach, and we want an all-stakeholder approach. We want Azilo to ban athletes waine. Can you also show us that you have banned the responsible coaches?
We must go for those agents. We must go for those coaches. We must go into those training camps. And if you are running a camp that has been turned into the classical space for doping,